Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's a game changer for breastfeeding moms, the electric breast pump. If you're looking for a comfortable, efficient, and discreet way to pump, then stick around. We're about to show you why this wearable, hands-free breast pump is a must-have. The electric breast pump is wearable and hands-free, allowing you to multitask with ease. Whether you're doing household chores or playing with your little one, this pump makes it possible to pump milk without being tethered to a machine. Comfort and ease of use are key features. This pump offers 3 modes: massage, suction, and expression, each with 9 adjustable suction levels. This customization ensures a more comfortable and efficient milk pumping experience. One of the standout features is its silent operation. With a noise level of under 60 dB, you can pump anytime, anywhere, without disturbing your sleeping baby or drawing attention in public. The electric breast pump is also designed to be overflow-proof and backflow resistant, ensuring that no milk is wasted or contaminated. Its integrated design eliminates the need for tubes, making assembly and use straightforward. It's made from superior ABS material, making it skin-friendly and easy to maintain. Plus, its compact and lightweight design makes it as small as a cell phone, perfect for use at home or on the go. The built-in high-capacity lithium battery lasts for 1.5 hours when fully charged and can be conveniently charged using a power bank, a C adapter, or a laptop. This ensures you have continuous power at any time. The model MY376 comes in black and white, with a battery capacity of 800 mAh and a volume of 180 milliliter. It features a Type-C port for charging and operates with a suction power range of 40 mAh to 300 mAh to 300 mmHg. The electric breast pump offers a perfect blend of convenience, comfort, and efficiency. With its wearable design, customizable modes, and silent operation, it's an excellent choice for busy moms on the go. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more products. Let us know in the comments what you think about the electric breast pump and what you'd like us to review next. See you in the next video.